Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best laptops for graphic design that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional designer or just starting your creative journey, these laptops are handpicked to ensure performance, reliability, and great value. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's dive in and get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the HP 14 laptop. While this is certainly the most budget-friendly option on the list, it's important to note that it does come with some compromises. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 processor and equipped with 4 GB of RAM, this device is best suited for light graphic design tasks or students just dipping their toes into the world of creative software. Its 14-inch Micro Edge HD display delivers decent color reproduction, but its maximum resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels falls short of what professionals would need for intricate design work. The design is sleek and lightweight, making it highly portable for on-the-go use. However, the 64 GB of eMMC storage may quickly run out of space if you're working with large design files. On the plus side, you do get Intel UHD Graphics 600, which supports 4K content streaming, a surprising feature at this price point. The inclusion of 1 year of Microsoft 365 is great for students or office workers who need productivity software alongside their creative tools. Ultimately, this laptop is a great choice for those on a strict budget or looking to handle basic graphic design projects. However, the limited RAM and storage, along with its lower display quality, make it less suitable for heavy-duty design work. Pros include affordability, portability, and the inclusion of Microsoft 365, while cons are the low storage and resolution. At number 4, the Acer 2025 AMD laptop makes its debut as a promising choice for mid-level graphic designers. This device is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5000 series processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, offering excellent multitasking capabilities. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, this laptop ensures fast performance and ample storage for larger design files and applications. The Radeon RX Vega 8 graphics is capable of handling moderately demanding design tasks, making this laptop a solid option for both students and professionals. The 16-inch IPS display delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors, though its resolution maxes out at 1920 by 1200, which is sufficient but not groundbreaking for graphic design work. The laptop also features extensive connectivity options, including USB 3.2 ports, a Type-C port, and Wi-Fi 6, ensuring smooth workflows and easy device compatibility. Additionally, the backlit keyboard adds a touch of convenience for working in low-light conditions. While it shines in terms of performance, the Acer laptop's drawback is its relatively unknown brand name and limited customer reviews. Still, it's a high-value option for those who need solid performance on a budget. Pros include strong multitasking, upgradable storage, and a decent display. Cons are its weaker brand reputation and lack of advanced graphics capabilities for high-end design work. Coming in at number 3, the Dell Inspiron touchscreen laptop is a powerhouse for graphic design and productivity. With its Intel i5-1155G7 processor and a whopping 32 GB of RAM, this laptop is built to handle heavy multitasking and demanding design applications like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. The 15.6-inch full HD IPS touchscreen brings your designs to life with vibrant colors and sharp details, while the 1 TB SSD provides ample space for your projects and ensures lightning-fast file access. The design is professional and understated, with a carbon black finish that feels premium. The inclusion of a numeric keypad is a bonus for those who also need to handle data entry. While the laptop is slightly heavier than others on this list, it's still portable enough for work on the go. The Windows 11 Pro operating system ensures a smooth user experience, and the extensive connectivity options, including HDMI and USB 3.2 ports, make it easy to connect external monitors or peripherals. The Dell Inspiron is an excellent choice for professionals who need high performance without venturing into the premium price range. Pros include its powerful specs, excellent display, and generous storage. However, its slightly heavier build and relatively lower battery life of 7 hours might be a drawback for some users. At number 2 is the Apple 2025 MacBook Air, a sleek and powerful choice for graphic designers who value portability and performance. Featuring Apple's M4 chip, this laptop delivers incredible speed and efficiency, making it perfect for running resource-intensive design software. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display is a standout feature, offering stunning color accuracy and sharpness. With support for 1 billion colors, your designs will look vibrant and true to life. The MacBook Air is incredibly lightweight at just 2.73 pounds, making it ideal for working on the go. The 16 gigabytes of unified memory ensures seamless multitasking, while the 256 gigabytes SSD provides fast storage for your projects. Additionally, the 18-hour battery life is a game changer for professionals who need to work all day without worrying about recharging. The laptop also integrates beautifully with other Apple devices, thanks to features like iPhone mirroring and universal control. While it's a premium device in terms of build quality and user experience, the MacBook Air does come at a higher price point, and its limited ports may require additional adapters. Pros include its outstanding display, long battery life, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Cons are its higher price and limited connectivity options. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Acer Aspire 3 A31524P R7VH Slim laptop, a surprising contender that balances affordability with solid performance. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor and AMD Radeon graphics, this laptop is perfect for entry-level graphic designers who need reliable performance. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display offers sharp visuals and vibrant colors, making it a joy to work on creative projects. The laptop's design is sleek and lightweight, with a focus on portability. The 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 GB NVMe SSD ensure smooth performance for everyday design tasks, though professionals working with large files or multitasking heavily may find the storage limiting. One standout feature is the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6, which ensures fast and stable internet connectivity, a great feature for cloud-based workflows. With a price tag of just $319.99, the Acer Aspire 3 offers exceptional value for its specs. While it lacks a backlit keyboard and has limited storage, it's an excellent choice for students or those just starting out in graphic design. Pros include its affordability, full HD display, and solid build quality. Cons are its lower storage capacity and lack of premium features like a backlit keyboard. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.